Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We have a ladies XL.
This is not the V-neck, it
Nope.
looks like.
No, this is a regular ladies XL.
What should I do for this one?
I don't know. What are you feeling for this one?
I don't know. I always pick. You pick.
Do the multi-bullseye. You know, where you try to pull a bunch of different bullseyes.
Yes.
Yeah. Multi-bullseye. Even though it's not a big XL. We'll pull a bunch of small bullseyes. Multi-bullseye. I like the multi-bullseyes. I still think we should do one and make it look like udders. I think that would be hilarious. You could do it real easy, you know. Make one that looks like a Holstein cow. That would be pretty funny. We incidentally made one like that already. It just wasn't the right colors. So I was like, oh man. It was a much larger shirt though. Dad likes the multi-bullseyes, the opposing bullseyes. I find them entertaining. Find them interesting.
Oh, maybe when we get our cows eventually, we can make shirts that look like them.
There you go. You want Holstein cows?
No. We need to do meat cows.
Angus. We want them Angus cows.
I can compete with Twin Valley over there.
JK people. Although they do have great meat if you're looking for Angus cows. Holler at Twin Valley. They're local. Ooh, I got a bee coming. Let me get out of his way. Look at that beautiful specimen. So many bullseyes. Got the birds chirping, sun high in the sky. It's a nice, beautiful day. We're still under the weather, as you can probably hear, but
It's finally starting to get hot.
it's getting warm outside. It's probably 80 degrees today. To the dyeing rack?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Okay.
The multi-bullseye. Got a lot of bee activity here. Some bee fighting, it appears, going on. Some sparring, maybe.
If you don't bother them, they won't bother you.
No, they're fighting each other. It's a vicious battle. So we got fire red, deep orange.
Oh, I need my rag.
Beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, I'll go get it for you. I saw it over here.
Yep.
Your muslin. Can you dye that? Is that a natural fiber?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Pretty sure it's just made out of cotton.
It's cotton, right? It's a soft form of cotton. It's pretty cool stuff.
The only problem with these multiple bullseyes is that you can't really
The reverse, yeah.
fit too many colors on there.
Yeah, they're kind of small, but that's okay. That's why you dye the tips up good, and then you get a little bit of free shirt at the bottom to do some other coloring with. What What all, are you gonna do any more colors on the bottom?
Nope, I can't fit anymore.
You're just gonna do those 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so all told on this one we have fire red, deep orange, and golden yellow on our beautiful multi bull's eye tie-dye. Tongue twister there for you. A little more of that golden yellow. You might even want to flip it towards you because there's like a little gap down this side. You'll see when you flip it over, turn it towards you. Or yeah, see what I'm saying? Yeah, you got it. You got it. Look at there. How beautiful. I think that's gonna look real good, don't you?
Yeah.
Look like a rising sun. Is it ready for the rack?
It is.
Let's do it.
All right.
To the drying rack. It'll show where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.